Welcome to the channel. Here, we provide clear, actionable insights into the complex world of tax and accounting to help your business thrive.
All right, it's that time of year again, tax season. And hey, before you reach for your wallet to buy that expensive tax software, what if I told you there's this amazing government-backed program that lets millions of people file their federal taxes for absolutely free? Seriously, let's break down exactly how it works. Does this whole scene feel a little too familiar? For so many of us, tax time means picking some software, clicking past a bunch of upsells, and then paying 50, 60, maybe even $100 just to send our own info to the government. It's frustrating, it feels expensive, and honestly, it just doesn't have to be that way. So here's the good news. There is an official and completely free way for a huge number of Americans to file their taxes. It's a program called IRS Free File, and it's literally designed to take the cost right out of tax prep. Now, here's the key thing to understand. This isn't some clunky, outdated government software. The IRS actually partners up with well-known private tax software companies, the brands you already know. They offer their trusted products to you, but at zero cost. So you're getting top-tier software through a secure, official channel. Okay, so that brings us to the million-dollar question, right? Are you eligible? Let's get into the details because this is the key that unlocks free tax filing for you. This is the number. If you remember one thing, remember this: $89,000. For the upcoming 2026 filing season, this is the magic number. If your adjusted gross income, your AGI, is at or below this amount, you are almost definitely eligible for the best version of this program. So think of it like this. There are two different paths you can take. If you're at or below that $89,000 AGI, you get access to what's called guided tax software. This is what most of us want. It asks simple questions, does all the math, and just walks you through it step by step. Now, if your income is higher, you can still use the free file fillable forms. These are basically just digital versions of the paper tax forms. Great for people who know their way around a 1040, but for most folks, that guided software is the real prize. But there is a little fine print. This is why it is so important to start this whole process on the official IRS website. While that $89,000 AGI is the main thing, each software company can have its own little rules based on your age, which state you live in, or your military status. Oh, and the great news, a lot of these partners also throw in free state tax filing, which is just a fantastic bonus. Okay, so you think you're eligible, you're ready to go. How do you actually get started? It's really simple. Here's your 4-step roadmap. This is incredibly straightforward, but listen up, because step 1 is the most important part. You have to start at the official IRS website, irs.gov/freefile. Seriously, don't just Google a company and go to their website directly, or you're probably going to end up on their paid version. You start at the IRS page, pick the guided software option, find a partner that works for you, and then, this is critical, use the special link they give you. That link is your golden ticket to the free version. And you don't need to be glued to your desk to get this done. The whole system is built for how we live now. You can prep and file your taxes securely from your computer, your smartphone, or your tablet whenever you've got a free moment. So who are these companies you'll be working with? Let's take a look at the actual software providers. Remember, these are established, trusted names in the tax world, offering their real products, but for free through this program. Here's the lineup for the upcoming tax season. You'll probably recognize some of these names, right? Like TaxAct, TaxSlayer, and Free Tax USA, which is part of the program as TaxHawk. And it's also really great to see that EasyTaxReturn.com offers its services in Spanish, which makes this program accessible to even more people. So we've covered the what's, the who, and the how. But let's just zoom out for a second and recap why this is such a huge deal. What are the real benefits of using IRS Free File? It really boils down to 3 main things. First, and most obviously, you save money. No filing fees means more of your hard-earned cash stays right where it belongs, in your pocket. Second, the software is designed to help you claim every single tax credit you're entitled to. And third, you're filing quickly and securely through an officially approved IRS partner. And you know, this point about tax credits, it is huge. Some of those paid software programs will actually charge you an extra fee to file for things like the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit. With IRS Free File, claiming these really important refund-boosting credits is included at absolutely no extra cost. No nickel and diming. So if you walk away with just one thing today, let it be this. If your adjusted gross income is $89,000 or less, there is absolutely no reason for you to pay to file your federal taxes. This program was literally built for you. The path is clear, the tools are there, and the price is perfect, free. The IRS says it best right there. So really, the only question left is, why would you ever pay for this again when you just don't have to?